How to add tilt animation in Wix Studio. So in order to successfully add a tilt animation, you can add it on either image, text, or button. For this case, let's do it right here into our button. Then from in there, make sure to open right here your inspector icon. So the tilt animation is typically under the mouse effects. So make sure to open it and expand it and then click on this add option that we can see right here. Now in here, you can see in here the tilt 3D. So you can just click on that and then from in there, just click onto this adjust animation, then adjust the direction, angle, and pointer velocity. Now let's move my mouse to preview what it will look like. So as you can see, as I'm moving my mouse, it's tilting the direction of that. So once you're done, just head over and click on this publish in order to actually save this progress. So that's how you add tilt animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.